with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
So nice to see you this evening. No major changes to the thinking in regards to tomorrow's storms. We'll see some showers in the morning, a bit of a lull late morning into the noon hour, and then we'll start to warm up and become unstable. We'll have a chance for some storms going into the mid-afternoon, the late afternoon hours, into the evening, and some of those could be strong to severe. Again, there could be a tornado threat out there as well, so just be aware. Our time lapse from Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy today shows those fast-moving clouds out there. Another warm one. Low 70s and upper 60s in the region. We have a few light showers now, some of which just exiting Lamar County, a few other showers here, Noxubee County into parts of Pickens County, Alabama, a few other blips out there. A steadier batch of rain up here in northwestern Mississippi and also into eastern Arkansas. There's a cold front back to the northwest that's inching our way. That will move through, or this area of low pressure will move through the area tonight as the week area of low pressure. That storm out there in Texas, that's going to be the big one for tomorrow. So we have this frontal boundary in place. Look at these temperatures, 60s for us, 50 in Memphis, 33 in St. Louis. Now, that cold front's going to come on in and stall out later on tonight and then lift back to the north as a warm front. So some of you from Oxford to Coffeyville, New Albany, you could briefly cool down later tonight before you start to moderate tomorrow. Farther south, I think we're stuck in the warm sector tonight and tomorrow, and these spring-like temperatures will continue. Wind and flooding, the main concerns here, 1 to 3 inches of rain, some gusty wind. We're going to keep the tornado threat low tomorrow, but if we become a little bit more unstable, we may have to boost that a little bit. We'll keep you updated and have the latest information for you on WCBI News Sunrise starting at 4:30. Notice how these low-level winds will zoom on in over 50 miles per hour just above the surface, and you go up a couple of miles in the atmosphere, we will have this jet stream cruising at over 100 miles per hour. So we have a lot of wind energy that will be teaming on up in the atmosphere with this event, and that could get some of these storms really going around here. Now tonight, that front comes on in. We'll likely see a few more showers and storms here across the northwestern counties, and then that will start to lift back to the north as a warm front during the morning hours tomorrow. Notice how I think most of us will probably not have a lot of concern for our Wednesday morning, but we're stuck in the soup, and then here comes the front and some of those little disturbances, and we may start to see complexes of showers and storms around here, and these are the ones that we will have to watch as we get into the afternoon. 6 o'clock, maybe a line of storms around here. There's a couple of different solutions as how this is going to play out. We may see a couple of clusters. We may see this line eventually move on through. By late evening, 10 o'clock here, 10 to midnight, likely the storms will start to shift away from our area. That will end the severe weather threat. And then Thursday, we get on the cold side of the system, so some lingering showers and temperatures that will be much, much cooler, maybe highs only in the 40s. And we could also see a few snowflakes somewhere in the region here. Don't worry about that, but a few flakes possible Thursday night, Friday morning underneath that cloud deck when it gets cold enough. So suffice to say, moisture's coming our way. We may see 1 to 3 inches of rain here with this entire setup. So Scott, we got everything in the 70 forecast. Warm and stormy tomorrow. Falling temperatures Thursday with some cold rain down into the 30s Friday morning. But Friday's looking like a great day. A fair amount of sunshine, a few more showers Saturday, dry Sunday, and then maybe some more warm and wet weather next week.
I was about to say, it says 70 on Tuesday, so back to the 70s.
Roller coaster ride, hold on to your hats.
Definitely. All right. Thanks so much.